internet, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have a Simply Gilded unboxing video. It is their summer collection, at least I think it is, because it says aloha, so it's very Hawaiian. And it's just, I don't know, it just makes me really happy to see such colorful boxes, especially because it's still very cold in Melbourne right now, and we're still currently in our second lockdown, so any sort of happy mail I get is extra special. It's a little connection to the outside world. I don't know if you can tell, but the box is actually a lot bigger than a regular box, and I'm not sure if she's mentioned anything on Instagram. I haven't actually checked because I kind of like the element of surprise when I do these unboxings, so let's just get right into it. Okay, so that's everything in the box. It looks like potentially a really big photo album. I'm not really sure. The last two boxes I've had are photo album related, so this would be the June box, I'm pretty sure. Something about this pen looks really familiar. I don't know if we've had it before, but it's really, really pretty. So for those who are unfamiliar, this is a black, very inky black gel pen, about 0.5 millimeters or maybe 0.7. I'm not 100% sure. This feels like all the washi tape is in here, so I'm going to leave this to last. And let's see what this is. Oh, put it upside down. Let's go this way. Oh, it's kind of like a notebook holder. Okay, hopefully everything fits in view shot. But yeah, it's a notebook holder. I'm so excited for this. So I really like this. As you guys know, the photo albums or the sticker albums from before, they weren't totally functional for me in terms of planning, although I'm keeping them as actual photo albums in the future because I actually don't have any physical ones. But this feels like it would be really functional. I'd need to try and figure out what notebooks would fit in here, but I could totally see myself using this. Or even like an iPad, maybe not the iPad like the 11-inch, maybe the 10 or even the mini. I do have my mini still, so that would be perfect. Like that would fit here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So, okay, there's a bunch of new stuff here. So this is kind of like laminated cardstock, which I think you would use, at least I'd use this kind of like a pencil board. And this is, looks like a notepad, but it's got boxes in it, so you can probably plan out your week. Okay, upside down. Yep, basically like a notepad, beautiful notepad. These look like the standard full boxes you get in a lot of planners now. And then in here, it looks like nail art potentially. Yep, nail decals. You guys can see that. I think she had one previously that had bubble tea and all sorts of other cute pictures on it, and I actually did end up using those, so I'm excited to use that. As you can see, I like doing my nails. Okay, yeah, this is the June box. I'll put this aside. It's like a postcard. There's nothing on the other side, but you could use it as cardstock. And then we have the stickers here. Let's, ooh, look at that fluoro pink. So these are the stickers. Belief in your dreams. I'm like such a sucker for puns. And then we've got some dates. I love these colors. It's really making me miss summer. Although I know summer's going to be here soon. Like, time just flies by. I just don't know what the Australian summer's going to look like given everything going on. And then this is the notebook that comes with it, and it's it's dot grid, but I don't know if you can tell that the dots themselves are a very light blue, so they're not gray. I think that's everything in this particular notebook holder. I wonder what she actually calls it. Pad folio, okay. Which makes sense because I guess you could just put this, it's like a notepad, so. All right, let's dive into the washi tape. It's in this beautiful drawstring bag, which I've actually, if you watched the previous one, the May, I think it came in a really cute drawstring bag, which I actually quite prefer these over some of the bags that I've previously gotten. And so I've been using it to store a lot of little bits of medicine to carry in my smaller handbag. I've downgraded my handbag to be very small now since I don't ever leave the house, and it's been the case for like months now. I only leave to go to the shops once a week, so I don't really need my normal bag anymore. So I'm downgrading everything to be much smaller. Okay, I'm gonna unbox these and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, and as you can see, oh, maybe not, I think I can finally capture that texture change. So these two washi tapes have a bit of a rough texture, but there's like a really like glisten to them. I don't think it's glitter, but it's definitely quite different. I don't even know how to describe it, but hopefully you can see it. So you've got these two are the same, and the rest have the same glossy finish. These two are your standard bows, although I find it interesting that they're not the same color. Usually the mini bows and the big bows are always the exact same pattern, whereas they varied it a bit more this time, which I actually quite like. I don't really have a preference either way. And you've got these like really fluoro pink waves, which I think was a pretty bold choice. And then you've got this silver one, which have the perforated edges. Oops, I'm out of shot. Perforated edges as well. So yeah, that is everything in the June Simply Gilded box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.